In 2025, everyone wants to design, but not everyone is a designer. That's where Canva comes. Canva is your design best friend. It's easy to use. You can create amazing things. No design experience needed. Canva helps you with everything. Make social media posts that pop, design a stunning presentation, create a logo for your brand. Canva can do it all. It's perfect for individuals and businesses. Canva is always getting better. New features are added all the time. This makes design even easier and more fun. With Canva, you'll be a design pro in no time. Ready to unleash your inner designer? Let's get started with Canva. Canva in 2025 is even more powerful. Exciting new features make designing a breeze. Let's see what's new. First up, we have AI Design Assistant. This smart tool helps you design faster. It suggests layouts, fonts, and colors. Just tell it what you need. Next is the real-time collaboration feature. Work with your team on designs together. See changes instantly. It's like Google Docs for design. Canva also has more templates than ever. Find the perfect template for any project. There are even more stock photos and videos too. With these new features, Canva is better than ever. It's the ultimate design tool for everyone. Ready to dive into the world of Canva? First, you'll need an account. It's easy and free. Go to the Canva website. You'll see a sign up button. Click it to get started. You can sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you've signed up, you can choose a plan. Canva has a free plan with lots of features. You can also upgrade for more options. Now you're ready to design. Canva will ask you what you want to create. This helps personalize your experience. Congratulations, you're now a Canva user. Let's explore the dashboard. The Canva dashboard is your design command center. It's where you'll find everything you need. Let's take a look around. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Search for templates, images, and more. On the left side, you have your main menu. This is where you'll find your projects, templates, and folders. The center of the dashboard shows your recent designs. You can easily access your work here. On the right side, Canva suggests templates based on your interests. The Canva dashboard is easy to navigate. You'll be finding your way around like a pro in no time. Section 5. Design like a pro, creating your first project. Now for the fun part. Creating your first design. It's easier than you think. From the dashboard, click Create a Design. Canva will show you different design types. Choose the one you need. Once you've chosen a design type, you'll see a blank canvas. Don't worry, it won't stay blank for long. On the left side, you'll find templates, elements, and more. You can also upload your own images. Get creative and start designing. Canva provides all the tools you need. You'll be surprised what you can create. Section 6. Time-saving templates, your design shortcut. Don't want to start from scratch? Canva's got you covered with templates. Templates are pre-designed layouts. They give you a head start on your design. Canva has thousands of templates to choose from. To find a template, simply type a keyword in the search bar. You can also browse templates by category. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. You can now customize it to your liking. Change the colors, fonts, and images. Templates are a lifesaver for busy individuals. They help you create professional designs in minutes. Section 7. Words matter. Adding and styling text. Want to add text to your design? It's super easy with Canva. Click the Text tab on the left side. Choose a heading, subheading, or body text. Click on the text box to start typing. You can customize your text in many ways. Change the font size, color, and alignment. You can even add effects like shadows and outlines. Canva offers a wide range of fonts. You're sure to find the perfect one for your design. Don't be afraid to experiment. Section 8. Picture perfect incorporating images. Images make your designs more engaging. Canva makes it easy to add images. Click the Elements tab on the left side. You'll see a library of free images and graphics. You can also upload your own images. To add an image, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize and reposition the image as needed. Canva also lets you edit your images, apply filters, adjust the brightness, and more. Make your images look their best. Section 9. Canva Guru Tips. Level up your design game. Want to become a Canva pro? Here are some tips and tricks. Use the grid lines to align your elements perfectly. Play with different fonts and colors to find your style. Don't be afraid to use white space. It makes your design easier to read. Use high-quality images for a professional look. Take advantage of Canva's animation features to make your designs stand out. Explore the different design elements like shapes, icons, and illustrations. With a little practice, you'll be creating stunning designs in no time. Section 10. Sharing your masterpiece. Exporting and sharing your design. Finished your design? It's time to share it with the world. Click the share button in the top right corner. You can download your design in various formats. Choose the format that best suits your needs. You can also share your design directly to social media. Connect your accounts and share with just a few clicks. Canva makes it easy to get your designs out there. Show off your creativity and impress your audience. That's it. You're now well on your way to becoming a Canva master. Start designing and see what you can